if you're looking for gift ideas na practical, affordable at magagamit talaga, hindi lang for Christmas, but for any occasion, this video is for you. I'm unboxing a mix of self-care, skincare, fragrance, and grooming items. Then I'll do a get ready with me and get unready with me using some of them, so you can really see how they fit into your everyday routine. Let's start with this fresh Scent Lab Irresistible Rose Eau de Parfum. The scent is fresh, romantic rose, very light, very feminine, and not overwhelming. So what I like about this is that it lasts up to 16 hours. That's correct, up to 16 hours. So super suited for the price. So this is perfect pang gift for friends, sisters, girlfriends, or kahit pang araw-araw na pabango. The next one naman is perfect na pang gift sa guys, like your brother, dad, boyfriend. So this is the Umbra Ice Body Wash na may cool and clean scent. Very refreshing gamitin lalo na after workout or long days because it gives deep clean, moisturizes the skin, and the fragrance lasts. Very bagay talaga sa guys na gusto yung fresh lang, effortless, tsaka hindi overpowering. Lalo na pag sinabayan mo ito nung Dio spray nila, nako sobrang swak ng set na yon. This one is a must-have for everyone. So ito yung fresh anti-bac breath mist in spearmint at meron pa yung probiotic. So it gives you instant fresh breath in just 10 seconds and super convenient niya dalhin because of the on-the-go size. Kita-kita naman natin, very handy siya and perfect after meals or before meetings. Yung sunod naman natin is the Fresh K Aloe Ice Deodorizing Cooling Body Wipes na perfect for cleansing, deodorizing, cooling your skin in just one swipe. Diba? With advanced cooling technology. Super useful dito for workouts, commutes, hot days. Another great gift idea na siguradong magagamit. Another great gift idea is this Fresh Collagen Makeup Cleansing Balm. Now, this removes even waterproof makeup in just a few swipes. Sobrang dali nitong gamitin. Napakasimple lang. So, it's dermatologically tested and non-comedogenic. So, it won't clog your pores. And I'll be using this later sa Get Unready With Me. This is the Fresh Hair Lab Styling Gel Waterproof Bangs Mascara. Now, perfect to for thinning frizz and stray hairs. Infused with hyaluronic filler and keratin. So, it helps nourish and hydrate the hair. And it lasts up to 24 hours. Ang gusto ko dito is napaka-simple niya gamitin and later ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano. This is the Mink Fitzitivity Bundle which includes the Radpit Serum and Dio Spray. So this is really a nice self-care or confidence-boosting gift especially for underarm care. You can use the Radpit Serum o kaya yung Dio Spray on their own pero mas maganda talaga siyang gamitin as a set for better results. Last is the Lana Hydrate and Illuminate Elixir. This is a hydrating and acne-fighting facial serum locally made. So the one that I have is the 20 ml but the 40 ml version has bigger discount. So keep that in mind. Now let's get ready. After doing my simple makeup, of course, syempre gumamit muna ako ng Mink underarm products para naman syempre before heading out, I have extra confidence. Now for my hair, naisip ko kasi magtatali na lang ako ng buhok since medyo matagal ako sa labas. So I'm using the Fresh Hair Lab Gel Mascara to tame my frizz and slick my hair. Kasi ang linis niyang tignan at saka hindi sticky. And take note hindi lang siya doon sa hair mo, pwede mo rin siyang gamitin sa iba pang part like yung sa patilya na part, yung eyebrows mo, pwede itong ating Hair Lab Gel Mascara. Then, I'll spray lang itong Fresh Irresistible Rose Perfume for a fresh, romantic scent. At the same time, quick spritz din tayo ng Fresh Breath Mist. Of course, para fresh breath din tayo. Mas confident tayo. And at the same time, dadaling ko rin yung ating cooling body wipes, just with me just in case kasi baka mainit din dun sa pupuntahan ko. Okay, so just got home pero kita nyo naman, pack na pack pa rin naman yung makeup. At the same time, yung hair ko, kita nyo ba? Slick na slick pa rin, Anong petsa na. And, of course, we need to remove everything, bago tayo matulog. I'm using the Fresh Collagen Makeup Cleansing Balm. So, all you need to do yan, Kuha lang tayo ng small amount. Yan, spread lang natin sa face. Make sure na dry yung skin. Okay, so kaya straight home, no? After mong umuwi, pwede mo na siya agad i-massage doon sa inyong face para ma-remove yung makeup. Even waterproof makeup, kung makikita nyo dyan, sobrang dali niya talagang gamitin. Add din tayo ng konting water to emulsify the cleansing balm. Then, ready na to for washing. And then, also, pwede na rin tayo mag-toner right after. So, as you can see, napakalaking tulong talaga ng cleansing balm to completely remove makeup para walang naiiwan sa iyong mga pores. So, nag-cleanser na ako and toner off camera. And now, I will apply the Lana Hydrate and Luminate Elixir to hydrate my skin before bed. So if you're looking for gift ideas na thoughtful, practical, and affordable, these are great options for any occasion. Check the links below and let me know which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more unboxing, get ready with me, and self-care content. Thank you for watching!